My name's Richard from Audiovation in Huddersfield, West Yorkshire. So today we're looking at one of the cinema rooms that we've recently done. In terms of the equipment we have, we're using M&K speakers and we're using JVC for the visual side of it. The speakers are across the front. We have the MP 950s. We're using the V-Series subwoofer, two of the 12-inch subwoofers there across the front as well, behind the baffle wall. And then we have the M&K ceiling speakers. We've got 4 ceiling speakers above us.
My name is Winston Williams and I work for Habitech as the Northern Area Account Manager. M&K is a professional cinema loudspeaker company. They have got links with Lucasfilms and it was the right product for this particular project.
In terms of the projector, the JVC, it was one of their new models. We've dealt with JVC for a long time, so at all their price points, the performance is superb. The contrast levels that we want in the cinema rooms are excellent, and the size of the projector, really very, very good. It's quiet. We've just dealt with it for a long time. We're really comfortable with the reliability and the performance of the projectors. When we looked at the modelling for the room, one of the issues with an Atmos-based system was the proximity for the sides and the rear speakers. And from looking at the modelling, we decided on that using the ceiling speakers was going to be the best option. In terms of the seating for the room, we've chosen Moovia. I've been on various visits to Habitech, so I've experienced the seating a lot in the different demo areas. So I knew that the comfort of the seats, the build quality of the seats, the performance was going to be there. It was a brand I was really comfortable with putting forward to the clients. It was the clients that we had a previous relationship with. Most of our customers, it's long-term relationships. So we dealt with them previously on a project, and being the new house, this was the next project to work on. We've been in business a long time, so I think that we understand the product. And we also, I think, very good at listening to people and getting an understanding of what they're looking at. We'd already done some other bits of work in the property with the client, but that was TV, soundbar based. This was the next stage. They knew they wanted a room for watching sports, watching movies, like family time entertaining, and this was to be a next level from the soundbar TV room. It was a blank canvas. It was always going to be a cinema room, but when we came to this room, it was just plain white box room, effectively. One of the reasons for working with Habitech was using Habitech's design service.
So the design service is basically what we ask for is a blank canvas of the room. So any issues that we will have in the room, like we did with this one, there is a girder that runs through one of the sides. So that inhibited placements for some of the speakers. They also wanted a raised platform at the back. So we were enabled, the design services allows us to plot where all those items are in the room and then design where the speakers are going to go into the room around those obstacles that you can't get around.
With using the design service, what we wanted was that backup of knowing that the performance of the speakers we've suggested, they were going to work right. And with having all the technical drawings from Habitech, we knew that the speakers we were putting in were going to be the right product. Audio is really important in the house. The music system's used a lot. We've got large kitchen diner upstairs, which is used for entertaining. There's a swimming pool next door as well. So across that there is a distributed audio Sonos system, and we're using Sonos for all the speakers in those areas. It works really well with Sonos. Sonos has been used by the client for a number of years now, so that was a natural fit for using. Sonos goes great with it, and you've got various different speakers to pick the right ones for the different areas. Yeah, in terms of the final finish for the project, we've been really happy with how it's turned out, and it's a dramatic difference from the look and the feel of that white box room that we started with. Speaking to the client, when you ask if they're using it daily. That's from them watching sports, watching movies, TV programs, and there's a huge amount of time that the children are spending on the PS5 games console. So I think it's been a big hit to the room.